gonna be a sneak peek for tomorrow for a live. But right now, I'm just gonna check this out. I've never tried it. Just got it yesterday.
Tragedy and despair have struck Central Texas. A young
Oh wow.
college student
Okay.
named Maria Flores has seemingly
It's gonna be
vanished
like a little
without a
sneak peek
trace.
for tomorrow. I'm gonna
She
definitely
was
do a
last seen
live
near
of
the
this
town of
game.
Newt more than 2 weeks ago, but with no physical evidence, the investigation has stalled. With few leads and even less hope, Maria's younger sister Ana Flores and a group of her closest friends set out to find their missing loved one. But any grief or sadness caused by Maria's disappearance would pale in comparison to the agony and despair they would soon discover. What awaited this group of youths was a nightmare beyond belief. The events surrounding Maria's disappearance would be just one of the many bizarre crimes later known as the Texas Chainsaw Massacre.
Alright. This is the PlayStation 5 video game. I just got this yesterday, so fuck yeah. Cool. Anyways. So I guess it's gonna be like an online video game. Like you have to have like plus and all that shit. That's how it's looking, but I don't know. I never played it, so till now, fucking just sitting here loading real quick. So all right, well yeah. So check it out real quick. Let's play. This is what I like about these PlayStation 5 games. Whoa. All right. So, so hell yeah, we'll check this out on the live tomorrow. So subscribe for more smoke videos creeping up on your YouTube screen. Oh yeah. Peace out. And we'll see you then for tomorrow, the live stream.